working portable and mobile stations. Very often I go portable myself, especially when I'm camping, and I enjoy playing with small antennas, especially a small magnetic loop. They're a lot of fun too, but yeah, so good to meet you, and I look forward to the photographs. If you send it to me via email, that would be very interesting. I would like to see what you're running there. So thank you for the contact. I'm going to put out some calls and see if anyone is around. The band is in good condition, it must be, for us to be able to make this contact via long arm. So hopefully I'll make some DX contact in the next hour or so. The local time here is coming up 10 minutes to 5 p.m. on Sunday. And we've had a very hot, windy day here today. A good day to be indoors and working some radio. So at 73 here, have a very nice day. Thank you for the contact. Look forward to working you again. Delta Golf 9, Mike Alpha, Quebec. Mobile from BK7JB.
Okay, Roger. Thank you very much, John, for the nice QSO. And all the best to you and family. Have a nice Sunday. This is Delta Golf 9, Mike Alpha, Quebec, mobile in South Germany. Bye-bye.
Oscar Hotel 6, Fox, Texas Radio. Oscar Hotel 6, Fox, Tokyo Radio.
I'm still working the Delta Golf.